Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics here today, and we're going to be looking at the BL-FU260C. We're going to be getting this lamp and housing reassembled with a brand new bulb in it. So, let's take a look at this and get started. Alright, and here we have our brand new Phillips bulb that we're going to be getting popped inside of this housing. It's a pretty simple process. We just set it right in here and make sure that the connectors are on the left side from the top. So the next thing we need to do is we need to start putting these clips in. We have a longer clip that's got two little holes in it. These actually go into these little metal prongs right here on the lamp. Get that inserted and you should be good to go for that one. The next clips that we need to look at are slightly smaller, and they have two little lining notches that they just kind of set in. Just place it right there and you're good to go. Alright, now that we have that secured in the housing, the next thing to do is get the housing reassembled. So we're going to take this back piece here, and this just kind of slides onto the right of the housing. Once you've got that on, you just want to make sure that all of your little metal notches are lining up and that all of the holes for where the screws are going to be inserted are also lining up correctly. Okay, with that out of the way, the next step is to put the other part of this housing on. It's just held in by one screw. It's really simple. You just gotta kind of set it in place just like the rest of the housing. Once you get that in place, we're pretty much done other than the connector. Alright, so getting this connector on is pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to pull that silicone shielding back a little bit to where you can get these metal prongs just kind of clipped in. They'll just click in, and then you can push that silicone shielding back up. It can be a little weird to do because the cables like to bend, but just kind of put a little bit of tension on that cable and you'll be able to get it slid right on there, but don't give so much force that you just start pulling the connector off again. So once you've got that in place, we're all done here. This BL-FU260C is ready to go. These are used mostly in Optima projectors. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.